taking off from home. We're going for about 6 days of riding and from home. There we go. Let's see if anyone is waiting for me, if I'm the first one here. Oh, no, I see some bikes. Hey guys, hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hey.
Finally made it out to the country roads, as you can see. Very nice crew. Look at these guys go. So right down the middle. So we're at our lunch stop now. We've done about, I don't know, 28 kilometers or so. So we're buying some provisions for this evening. Something for the barbecue maybe. We're all loaded up with our food for this evening and maybe a beer or two. Camping.
We've all been there.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Such an early start to the day. It's 10 o'clock, but we only have 38 kilometers to do today, so no rush. We'll just enjoy the ride. They are somewhere behind me, over there. Time for a good coffee. We'll be cycling over that bridge now. I drove over it many times, but never cycled. Most part it's pretty nice, and we're creating our own air currents to keep us cool. And there are these pockets of dead air and you can really feel the heat, just like I passed one right now on that curve. And yeah, but it's amazing. Very cool. That's what I like. Oh, it's getting swampy here. Getting swampy. Well, there we go. Another graceful fall. Because there's some progressively worse conditions. We don't have far to go, but we don't feel like getting all grimy. Thanks.
I didn't.
That wasn't.
I just saw you on the ground.
There she is. There she is. Made it. I think we had a couple of 100 meters to go before we would have made it to this road and come out somewhere around here. No, we don't have to turn here. Sorry. So we do have to turn here. All right. Okay, we're turning here after all. Going over another overpass. I like those. Nice. Miles, Jose. 3.2 kilometers to go to our campsite. Kind of early. It is 1:28. So we have all day to do something else. Let's see. I can taste that cold brew on my lips. Oh, 6.6K. This is our third day of camping. Here's Julia, and there's a nice tower, beautiful quiet road, and I'm here too. Yeah, let's do it. I don't know, I don't want to rush on a road like this. Look at it. I love these fields. Our new campsite for today. Now to beat the rain. Let's see if we can do it. We're going to Freli's. Change our route up. So just heading back to Canada. I guess we're at the border now. Said walk? Oh, okay, said walk. Oh. That was beautiful, huh? Beautiful, right?
James Bay.
Oh, really? Wow, that's serious skeleton. Yeah.
Our tent setup for today.
Oh, they have to stick? Yeah.
Glorious start to our day. So far we've been very lucky. So let's do it. Look at this. So we found a coffee shop. Oh, very cute. Spray wash for hot people. All right, let's see if it works. There we go. Woohoo! Hey, very nice. Yeah. Cool off. Here, by the way. Alrighty, no. So we're off. Our last day of cycling, day 6 today. Beautiful 5 days so far, incredible time. A little bit of suffering here and there, lots of heat. But it's been an adventure. Let's do it. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hello! Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Safe ride home. Bye. See you next time. So it's just a few more kilometers to my house. And just to sum it up, what a great time. It's always nice to do it with this gang. Great to hang out with them. Yeah. Let's hope we can do it again soon.